Extends 3.5 from wall. Mounting hardware included. Lifetime faucet and finish warranty. Complete the look of your bath with this Trinsic 18 towel bar. Delta makes installation a breeze for the weekend DIY by including all mounting hardware and easy-to-understand installation instructions. You can install with confidence, knowing that Delta backs its bath hardware with a lifetime limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Love champagne gold. These towel bars are awesome. They're the perfect color brass. Not too shiny, not too gold, just right to go with my mixed vintage industrial metals. For better drying, I wanted to be able to stretch my hand towels flat on the rod. The description offered thorough dimensions, which helped tremendously to pick the perfect size for my needs. Very easy to install. They're also cheaper here than anywhere else. I'm very happy with my purchase.